Hello students. So today we are going to solve question number 22 of accounting ratio from the book DK World. Okay. Now see the question. The ratio of the current asset 32 lakh rupees to the current liability 20 lakh rupees is 1.6 is to 1. Okay. So current ratio equal to current asset upon current liability, and it is 32 lakh divided by 20 lakh. Okay, and the ratio will be 1.6 is to 1. Clear है? Ratio will be 1.6 is to 1. Okay. Now the accountant of the firm is interested in maintaining a current ratio of 2 is to 1. Okay. Accountant of the firm is interested in maintaining this ratio is this ratio of 2 is to 1. जो अकाउंटेंट है वो 2 is to 1 के रेशियो में कन्वर्ट करना चाहता है. ठीक है. बाई पेइंग ऑफ द पार्ट ऑफ द करंट लाइबिलिटीज, कुछ लाइबिलिटीज को कम करके पार्ट ऑफ द लाइबिलिटीज को पे करके ये ऐसा काम करना चाहता है. सो कंप्यूट द अमाउंट ऑफ करंट लाइबिलिटीज शुड बी पेड ऑफ सो दैट द करंट रेशियो विल बी 2 is to 1. क्लियर. अब वो जो है कितना अमाउंट करंट लाइबिलिटी की पे करेगा. सो लेट द करंट लाइबिलिटी पेड ऑफ बी एक्स. हम ये मान लेंगे कि एक्स करंट लाइबिलिटी वो पे करेगा. तो व्हाट विल बी द कॉन्सिक्वेंसेस? द करंट लाइबिलिटी विल डिक्रीज. ओके, द करंट लाइबिलिटी विल डिक्रीज बट ऑल्सो द कैश विल ऑल्सो डिक्रीज. ठीक है, करंट लाइबिलिटी तो कम होगा बट कैश भी कम होगा साथ साथ. सो 32 lakh डिवाइड बाई 20 lakh. अब current liability is reduced by x and also my cash will reduce by x and the ratio will be 2 by 1. Clear है? Now see, first we do the cross multiply, then it will 32 lakh minus x multiplied by 1 will be same, and 2 will be multiplied by this 20 lakh, 2 multiplied by 20 lakh minus x. तो 32 lakh minus x equal to 40 minus 2x. Clear? So minus x and minus 2x will become plus 2x, and 40 lakh minus 32 lakh. So x minus 2x minus x will be x, and 40 minus 32 will be 8 lakh. So the amount of current liability paid off will equal to 8 lakh. कंपनी जो है 8 लाख रुपीस का करंट लाइबिलिटी जो है पे कर देगी. ओके, ठीक है, सही है, आंसर सही आ रहा है. नाउ द नेक्स्ट वन इज 23. इसको आप नोट कर लीजिए, फिर हम 23 करते हैं. लेट्स सी क्वेश्चन नंबर 23. The ratio of the current asset 5 lakh rupees and to the current liability is 2.5 is to 1. Current liability is not given there. So current ratio will be current asset upon current liability, and the value of current asset is 5 lakh rupees upon current liability. And the ratio will be 2.5 is to 1. Okay, this ratio is 2.5 is to 1. So before going further, first we solve this current liability. The value of current liability will be current liability will be 2.5 lakh rupees divided by 2.5 lakh, 2.5, 5 lakh divided by 2.5. So the answer will be 2 lakh rupees. Okay. The value of current liability is 2 lakh rupees. Now, the question, the accountant of the firm is interested in maintaining the current ratio is 2:1 by acquiring some current asset on credit. Okay. Chalo. Now the ratio will be what? 50,000 and 5 lakh rupees. Current ratio will be what? 5 lakh divided by current liability 2 lakh. Okay. Now the accountant want to maintain this ratio on 2:1 by acquiring some current asset on credit. So if you acquire some current asset, so what will happen? It will happen that your current asset will increase. Okay. If you acquire some current asset, your current asset will increase. But this is on the credit. So what will happen? Your liability will also increase. And by doing this, your ratio become 2:1. Now solve this. Question will be multiply कर दीजिए 5 lakh plus x multiply by 2 into 2 lakh plus x. So 5 lakh plus x equal to 4 0 0 0 0 0 plus 2x. Okay. Now x minus 2x equal to 4 lakh minus 5 lakh. Clear? Minus x equal to minus 1 lakh or x equal to 1 lakh rupees. So the amount of current liability, current asset acquire is rupees 1 lakh rupees. ओके. सो 1 लाख रुपीस का इन्होंने करंट एसेट परचेज किया है. क्लियर है? क्वेश्चन, हाँ ठीक है, 1 लाख रुपीज आ रहा है. सो बाय दिस वे योर क्वेश्चन नंबर 22 and 23 is completed, and in the next video we will start the next topic, solvency ratio. Clear?